Audio and Video Options Overview. When you first log in, you are offered to choose which communication medium you wish to use, selecting either a microphone on your PC or using a phone to dial in. You may change your mind and switch to the phone or mic by clicking the corresponding icon at the top of the screen, or by accessing the audio and video options from the center marquee or from the More menu to swap to the opposite audio method at the bottom left of the options screen. The audio and video options screen will display a preview of your webcam if you choose to share your webcam in the presentation. You may also verify your mic and speakers. If for any reason your mic or speakers are not working, use the drop-down list to make sure the correct device is chosen, then make sure to click Update Settings when finished. If you have no mic or speakers available or have trouble with your devices, you can dial in using a phone. Clicking the phone icon at the top of the screen will bring up a notification that asks you to confirm if you wish to switch to telephone. Once confirmed, you are provided the dial-in number and meeting code, as well as your dial-in pairing PIN. For best experience in your meeting, be sure to pair your phone. This connects your phone number with your online presence in the meeting.